Hi, my name is Carmine Allers, and I'm with the Broadway show Rent. And I have played every single role you could ever imagine on that stage, and I've loved it. But I have to say my favorite is Mimi Marquez. I played that for about a year and a half, and then I came back and reprised the role for another 9 months. But within that time, I went back and I understudied Maureen, Mrs. Cohen, Mrs. Jefferson, and Alexi Darling, and Collins as well. No, I'm only kidding about that. I joined actually on the road, and I did that for about 9 months with the Benny Company. And then I came out here to Broadway and actually replaced my sister, Yasmin, in the same position. And she went off and did another show, and which was really, really cool to be able to do that, just to sort of, take over an Allers with an Allers, kind of cool. I just want to say thank you so much because without getting too emotional, this show has just been so amazing to me. And I want to say that what's made it really, really amazing are the fans. Is you watching and coming to see the show and letting me know what it's done for you, how it's touched you, and knowing that I've been able to tell the story the right way, to be able to have touched you. I have made some lifetime friends here. And I don't know. There's no other show I feel that has that kind of essence that you can walk away and say, "This is my family." So if you haven't seen the show, I'm going to tell you you're crazy, okay? Because you have to see this show. Everybody should come to see it from 9 to 90, okay? So bring your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your niece, your nephew. I'm going to tell you right now, nobody's going to walk away disappointed. It's unlike any other musical. So if you're not the type to want to see, I'm not going to bash any other, but your typical type of Broadway shows, this is the show for you. Because it is just going to ease right in. You're going to ease right into Broadway with this show. So if you haven't seen any show, come see this one first. And I guarantee you will love it.